In today's video, I'm going to help you solve how to install Clipchamp on Windows 11. Let's get to it. On your desktop, you will find this Start button. Click on it, and here you will have search bar. Either you will see Microsoft Store here, or in search bar, click on it and then type Microsoft Store. When you type Microsoft Store, you will find this option, which is Microsoft Store in the best match. Click it, and it's going to open up Microsoft Store. In here, in the Microsoft Store section, you're going to have a search bar again on top. Click on it, and then click on Clipchamp. Or if you don't have it, write Clipchamp. Then you will have this app, then press enter. Now the first option is going to be our tool that we need to install. This is Microsoft Clipchamp. We're going to click on it. Now you'll have this get button. We will click on it to download it to our Windows PC computer. One thing you need to keep in mind is that you need an Outlook account to sign in to Microsoft Store to download any tools or softwares on Microsoft Store. Now you can see our app has been downloaded. Microsoft Clipchamp just got installed, and you can open from here, or you can go to Start bar again, and you will have this option over here, Microsoft Clipchamp, or you can search for Clipchamp from here and then click on it. And it's going to open our app for us, and it's going to sign you in as well. And there you go. This is how you can install Clipchamp on your Microsoft PC. Did this solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.